Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are gonna learn about classes in Kotlin, how to create class and how to use one. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's first create a class. Just go here and right click on this Kotlin folder in source, main and Kotlin, and go to new and select Kotlin class of file. I'm gonna name it circle. So it will create a class for us. So let me make some room here. So as you can see, we declare a class with the keyword class, and then we name our class. Then in the body we define the methods of our class. Right, so let me take a variable. We'll create a class which will include methods to count calculate the area of the circle. So to calculate the area, we need two things. One is radius and actually other is pi. So let me just yeah, before that, if we want to access this class from our main function, let's see how we can do that. So here in the first file, .kotlin, in the main function, we have to create an instance of a class to access this. So to do that, we'll take a variable. I'm gonna uh, name this variable cir, sir, whatever. I'm sorry. And to create an instance, we just write the name of our class and following parentheses. So this is one instance of our class. So suppose I want to calculate the area of circle which has the radius of let's say 5. So I'll pass 5 here, and I'll have to catch that in this class. So to do the way to do that is we can use constructors. So before passing value, we have to create a constructor here, and at the end of the name of a class we create this parenthesis, and inside which we can take a variable. We can name it radius, which will be type of double, and we'll pass a value from here. As you can see, a little warning comes up and it says no value passed for parameter radius. So we can pass any value from here. I'm gonna pass 5 for now and go back to the class. Now we need another. Okay, let's create a function to calculate the area first. So fun area of circle. The formula to calculate the area of circle is pi r square. So first we need the value of pi. So we don't want to give value of pi manually every time we need to do something with the calculation with circles and radius, right? So instead of that, we can define a variable here, pi, which has the value of pi. So we can directly use pi instead of 3.14. So pi into radius into radius. This will be the area of circle. This will calculate the area of circle, right? So now to print this on the console, we go to the first file, the main function, and to access this that method inside the circle, we just write cir dot uh, area of circle. This way we'll get the value of the area of circle, but still we need to print it. So let me just take it in a variable, area equals to circle, and then we'll print this, and we can actually print this directly without taking it into a variable. So I'm gonna print, sorry, the area of circle with radius CIR is area. So let me run the program and see if it's working or not. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so actually here's an area, but I forgot that CIR is not the value of radius. It's the value is the object instance that we created. So it's not the radius. It's actually a physical memory inside which this object is placed during the compilation, right? So to print the radius, we can take another variable uh, equals to 5.0, and we can pass, sorry, we can pass r here instead of hard coded value, and we can replace r here. Okay, now we will give the correct result. So yeah, the area of circle with radius 5.0 is 78.5. So this is how you create classes. I'm sorry, this is how you create classes and create different methods and access those methods from another function, right? So let me create another method just for the sake of another example. Let's calculate the circumference. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r, so 2 into pi into radius. And now let's take another variable, circumference. I'm not gonna write the whole value, so whole name, CIR dot circumference, and then I'm gonna just copy this, and instead of area, circumference of circle with radius r is circum. Yeah, so let's run and see how it gives us area and circumference. Area is 78.5. Circumference of circle is 31.4000. Okay, so you can change the radius here and run the program, and the value will be changed itself. So this is how you create classes, and this is how you create constructor and pass values inside a constructor, and this is how you create methods and access those methods inside different functions and different classes as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.